At Switch Solar, we install solar panels using Unirac'S Flashloc'S patented triple seal technology that protects and preserves your roof. The installation involves driving lag bolts into the supporting beams and injecting sealant into the port to create a permanent pressure seal. Leaks are prevented with an outer shield contour-conforming gasket and pressurized sealant chamber. This triple seal delivers a 100% waterproof connection without lifting, prying, or damaging shingles. In addition, this technology is tested to withstand up to 150-mile-an-hour strong hurricane winds and against torrential rains as measured by the UL 441 rain test. Switch Solar installers are certified, professional, and possess many years of experience installing solar systems with Unirac'S Flashloc'S system. At Switch Solar, we believe that solar energy is for everyone. Call now at 833-776-5271 or visit us at www.switchsolarusa.com.